Tired of fake videos online claiming you'll make thousands overnight? Let me show you a real way to make money using YouTube, step by step. First things first, YouTube is not an overnight success platform. It's a business. If you're ready to put in consistent effort, you can turn it into a profitable venture. Step 1 is finding your niche. What are you passionate about? Cooking, gaming, tech reviews, education, or something else? Your niche should balance your interest with audience demand. Gaming, for example, is a huge niche with plenty of opportunities. Next, research your competition. Look at what successful channels in your niche are doing, what types of videos they post, their thumbnails, titles, and how they engage their audience. Take notes, but remember, you'll need to bring your unique style. Step 2 is creating content. You don't need expensive equipment to start. A decent microphone, a screen recorder, and basic editing software are enough. Here's a tip. Hook your viewers within the first 10 seconds, use clear audio, and edit tightly to keep the pacing engaging. Step 3 is monetization. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in a year, you can join the YouTube Partner Program to earn from ads. Beyond ads, there are other ways to make money. Sponsorships are a big one. Brands will pay you to showcase their products if you have a loyal audience. You can also promote affiliate products, create merch, or offer memberships through YouTube. It's important to understand that earning money takes time. It depends on your consistency and content quality. The key is patience and adapting based on your analytics. YouTube provides insights into how your videos perform, what's working, what's not, and where your audience drops off. Use that data to improve continuously, engage with your audience, and don't be discouraged by slow growth initially. And most importantly, enjoy the process.